This is a 2012 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.